For companies of all sizes, social media marketing is an effective way to connect with prospects and clients. You are missing out if you're not using social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn because this is where people find, learn about, follow, and even buy from brands. Effective social media marketing can help your company achieve extraordinary success by generating local brand supporters, leads to your website, and even purchases. In this guide, you are going to learn what social media marketing is, its benefits, what the statistics say about, and the tips to generate more sales. We are also going to learn how to build a social media marketing plan and how to carry it. I will take you through the 7 best social media marketing platforms and how to use them for your brand awareness and even to generate sales. Hello, I'm Mr. Valentine from Creators Hub and Valentine's Place. And if you are a small business owner or a student aspiring to start a business, this guide is for you. Social media marketing is a type of online advertising that makes use of the strength of well-known social media platforms to achieve your marketing and branding goals. However, it goes beyond just simply setting up a business page and posting whenever you want. I've compiled 5 basic fundamentals that will help you to grow your reach on social media. Social media profile optimization. Maintaining and improving your profile is a necessary component which calls for a changing strategy with marketing and branding goals. A good social media business profile should clearly define the company's logo, services provided, location of the company, and the contacts of the company. An optimized social media profile will help the client to easily access the services and even easily contact the company for inquiry. You should post pictures, videos, stories, and live videos that will represent your brand and attract relevant audience. A good social media page should be engaging to clients. Responding to comments, shares, likes, and monitoring your reputation is a vital tool for social media, brand awareness, and marketing. Make use of paid social media advertising. What are the benefits of social media marketing? 1. It will humanize your business. Through your profile, posts, and interactions with users from an approachable persona, this can make your audience to familiarize and connect with your business. Number 2, it will drive traffic. 3, it will generate leads. 4, it will increase your brand awareness. And the last one, it will build relationships. These platforms can open up with both direct and indirect lines of communication with your followers, through which you can network, gather feedback, hold discussions, and connect directly with individuals.